how to turn off hints on Royal Match. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can turn off hints in Royal Match. So let's get right into it. The first step is to open your mobile phone and then go ahead and launch the Royal Match application. Now once the application has been launched and you're brought to the gaming page, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons, the profile icon, the crown icon, art, star, and then the gear icon. Once you see that, just click on it. Now, after clicking on the gear icon, you will be taken to the settings page. On this page, you can see options like music, sound, int, notifications. You can see that int is automatically turned on. So to turn it off, just click on the toggle, and then once you can see the option off, it shows that the int has been turned off. Then turn it on again, do the same thing. And once you're done, move to the top right corner, click on the cancel icon, and then your hint will be turned off on your Real Match account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.